and I'm back to my channel. Today we're back at Sages to see the ponies. Hey, we're at Sages with the pony and Clyde. The medium shaped pony, that one's 27 years old. And I also got some spit on myself on the pony, and that's alright. So, I hope you enjoyed me seeing the ponies at Sages, and if this gets to 100 views, I will do another vlog at Sages, and in the comments down below, let me know what will be the next animal you would like to see in Sages. So, I will see you all the next video. Bye bye.